fresh new week. You know what we normally do? Let's get it straight on. We are mapping out the week ahead, making sure any important news events are captured, really. It's as simple as that. Why? Well, we don't want to be caught out by fundamental news when we're trading. So let's just filter this out. Really, I'm only interested in a few key areas, right? So I'm going to just take off the medium and low risks or low impact. Not bothered about the Aussie dollar or the Canadian. I'm not. All of these can just kind of remove. We can just remove. We'll keep euro. We'll keep the GBP, and we'll keep US dollar. Okay. Let's apply that. Let's just give us a nice concise list. And now what we're going to do is essentially map these onto our charts. So first one is well, it happened at 7 a.m. this morning actually, so I'm probably going to miss that one out because I wasn't trading. Well, I was trading actually. Maybe you can look at that on the last video, but anyway, at 1:30 today. So Empire State Manufacturing Index and then the PPI month on month. So when was that? Tuesday. That's tomorrow. So nothing Monday was too concerning. Sorry, I'm getting myself mixed up. This is Tuesday the 15th. Nothing today. Right, so I will map that out. So 7 a.m. tomorrow, right, Tuesday, where are we? Let's just move this along. So Tuesday, we want to go at 7 a.m. so we can go on the hour time frame. All right, Tuesday, where are we on Tuesday? We want to get the horizontal ray. And we want Sunday, Monday, Tuesday at 7 a.m. Boom. Okay. Double click. Let's get our text in there. Nice. Okay. So really, as you know, we're just looking for anything that can have an impact on the market. At this stage, I'm not too bothered about what that impact is. We'll do more research and understand what these affect, what kind of effect they can have, what the forecast predicted, what it was prior to, and potentially what the actual looks like. So let's just continue. So we've got the Empire State Manufacturing Index 130 on Tuesday. We also have the PPI month on month, so we'll do that one secondly. 130, so let's go ahead and get the horizontal line out again. This time we need to go to the half-hour time frame to get the 130. Okay, so where's 130? 130 is there. Same again, double click, get our text maps out. We'll put a space between the two. Let's go back in here. We want the PPI month on month, both happening at the same time. So this will be quite an impactful event. So Control V. There you go. That's the PPI month on month. Okay, cooking on gas. Next one. On the Wednesday, we've got the GBP core CPI year on year. So let's go back here. So that's Wednesday at, sorry, what time was that at? 7 a.m. All right. 7 a.m. on the Wednesday. Wednesday, 1 a.m. 2, 3, 4, 7. Here you go. It'd be nice if I clicked my horizontal line. Where are we? Wednesday, 7 a.m. Nice. Okay. GB. All right. Right, what's next? So core retail month on month for US, and this is also at the retail month on month sales. Right, so that's 130 on the Wednesday. So let's get our horizontal line. Wednesday, 130. Here we go. Okay. space, and then we also want the retail month-on-month sales. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. Next one. Okay. GBP. We have monetary policy report hearings. This is at 2:15 on Wednesday. So let's just go to the 15-minute chart. Let's move this along a touch. Select our. I keep saying horizontal. I meant vertical. 2:15. There you go. Let's go on to that one. So this is within quite a sharp time frame of the last session. So Wednesday, okay, perfect. Now we move on to Thursday, which is tentative. Well, the GBP opens up at 8 a.m. So because we're tentative on the time, let's just map that out for 8 a.m. on Thursday, November the 17th. So let's move this along. November the 17th. So here's the 17th. We go for 8 a.m. Make sure we've got our vertical line. Thursday. Did I say Thursday? I didn't I? Yeah, 17. So let's say 8. Okay. Time to TBC. Okay, that's GB. Great Britain. Right, next. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index 130. A lot of the stuff comes out at 130, which is just an hour before the New York Stock Exchange opens up, or at least the futures opens up anyway. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index 1:30 p.m. On the Thursday. So let's get that one in. Let's get our vertical line 1:30 about here. Boom. Okay. Perfect. Right. Okay. So look, these are all in. So now, as we're trading, yeah, we don't have to get caught out. We don't worry about what these are. I mean, prior to when these announcements are coming out, I'll go in and first thing I'll do is I'll have a little check and see what this actually means. So, Office for National Statistics, changing the number of people claiming unemployed related benefits during the previous month. So normally what I like to see is what is the effect of what the forecast versus the actual is. Well, if actual is less than forecast, it's good for currency. Now, we know the DXY, or the currency for US dollars, which is the basket for currency, led by US dollar. If that's good for the US dollar, well, usually Bitcoin is inversely correlated to that, meaning if the DXY is going up, the the price of Bitcoin goes down, so, and vice versa. So this is the key stat that I tend to look for. So what is the usual effect that this has based upon the results? So the actual versus the forecast. If it's different, if it's above or below, will determine, usually, because other things can affect it as well, but usually it will be what it will make the price of the US dollar either rise or fall. And as I trade Bitcoin and pretty much exclusively only trade Bitcoin, they're the kind of key things that I'll be looking at. So, right at this stage, I don't really need to go and evaluate every single one of these right now, but I know kind of an hour or two beforehand, I can kind of start getting things into position. So let's just go back out to the hour. And that's it. Looks good. We've got ourselves primed. We know what to look for. We know what things can come and affect us. And right now we can relax, knowing that we're not going to get caught out on a fundamental event. It's happened many times before. By the way, you see this big crazy candle that'll occur, and if you haven't been sharp enough, or you're not paying attention to the fundamentals, what's going on in the world of news and events and like economics, then you're going to get caught out, and that's one of the worst things that can happen. If you're just trading based on TA alone, trust me, it's not a good way to do it. So do yourself a favor, map this out. You can also add some of the medium impact ones as well. But for right now, I'm really just focused on US, GBP and euro. So they're the key ones that I like to kind of factor in. So nice quick short one for you. The week ahead, just getting it planned out. And I shall see you guys in the next one. Peace out.